Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about partial differentiation. So now I want to show you how to answer. If we want to find the tangent plane, we need to find first the derivative of f with respect to x and first the derivative of f with respect to y. For this one, we have s squared. So first the derivative of s squared, we have 2x. We just apply the power rule of the derivative. So that's why first the derivative of s where we have 2x. The next one we don't have s, so if we do first the derivative, you got number 0. This one we have number 1, so we have y, because number 1 with y we have y. This one we have number 1, so we have number 8. Now the second one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have 2y. This one we have number 1, so we have s. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1, so we have number 2. So because the tangent plane is horizontal, that means first the derivative of f with respect to x equals to number 0, and the second one equals to number 0. So we have this one and this one. Now we need to arrange the function. So this one we have 2x plus y equals to number 8. I will put on the right, and we have negative 8. This one I will put x plus 2y, and number 2 I will put on the right. So we need to find the solution of this one, and we have sy equals to negative 14 over 3. And this one, that is about number 4 over 3. That is the end. Thank you for watching.